So let's finally unbox the Magical Butter Machine. That should have clicked like, there we go. Now, on with it. Packaging is cool, so I really don't want to destroy the box. So take my time. Can you guys see? Oh, let me move this stuff. Move everything out since we're where we need to be. Let me get all of this out the way, so you guys can focus in on the product itself. Yo, I'm telling you, this product, the packaging is crazy, because that's some real packaging right there. That over there. You guys are inside peek. So they put it in there real sturdy. You ain't got to worry about it moving around. See, that fits perfectly over the top. So in shipping, it ain't bouncing around. It's in there secure. Now, as I show you, the box is real sturdy. Okay, so there's the glove that I told you came with it. There's the Purify filter, the 190 Purify filter. I already have a couple of them, so that's why I already had them out displayed. The spatula and as I told you, there were things that I ordered separately, but then there were things that I told you came included, which is the glove, which is the Purify filter, all right? And a cooking manual and a owner's manual. So an owner's cookbook and an owner's manual that comes included. All right, let's put that over there. That's the cord, the power cord. I'll just keep the box in case, you know, I've got to ship it out or something. Do some type of shipping. So, the box over there. So there she is. This is the Magical Butter Machine. So, as you can see, it's not a lot of parts. Not a lot of parts. There's only a top half and a bottom half. And it feels very well made, super sturdy. The bottom half is for your herbal ingredients and liquid oils. I don't know if you can see inside of here, or it has a minimum and a maximum level indicator engraved inside. So it shows you where the minimum flow is, which is around here. So it has to have at least that much liquid. And then there's a maximum. You don't want to overflow, so it's right around here. So your minimum and your maximum. But that's engraved inside to let you know. Okay? Now the top is the brain. And it houses the electrical control switches. So you don't ever want to submerge the top in water. Never. In fact, nothing in black. No parts in black, made out of black, whatever this is, should ever be submerged into water. To clean it, just wipe these parts down with a damp cloth. All right. But on the top, can y'all see that? On the top, you'll see that it has 2 sets of buttons. One set, which is right here, is temperature control. And the other set is for the duration of the time. Okay? So you have temperature control, which is these buttons here. And you have time. Your time is 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. And this button over here is for cleaning. So it self-cleans. Which maybe when I hook it up, we'll do a self-cleaning demonstration. Because I had to clean this one up. I just pulled it out the box. So I have to clean it anyway. So I might do a video on that. Okay? So this is the Magical Butter Machine. Truly the way to go for making yourself herbal tinctures, oils, and infusions for your edibles. All right? Plug it up, make sure she's working. You see she lighting up? She lightening up. Cool. So she works. So, family, with that said, I pray that this video has been helpful and useful for you. I hope I've been entertaining and enjoyable to you. It's gone pretty long, so I gotta go ahead and end this. So with that said, to the community, I love you. Stay tuned for more recipes, more demonstrations of the Magical Butter Machine. And we'll see you soon. With that, blessings.